Ya, viendo la cámara. Ok. Bueno, welcome everybody to English Center Meet. And today we're going to be learning some new vocabulary words. Vocabulary words for you. So pay attention here in English Center Meet. Beauty, curiosity, time, love, art, real art, mathematics, science, people, animals, college education that nobody uses, old people, babies, sports. The world is ready for something new. And now that everybody is back to school, the question is, what have you been learning? Have you learned English or not yet? Well, don't worry, today we have a special lesson for you. And we are going to be discussing what are verbs, what are adverbs, and what are adjectives. So stay tuned because the explanation is gonna blow your mind. Maybe you are wondering, in every single of my English classes, the teachers say, okay, choose or pick 5 verbs. But what are verbs? Well, let me tell you, verbs are actions. Actions made by the person that is doing it. It could be one person or many people. But verbs, you have to remember that, are actions. For example, the easy ones: play, cry, sleep, jump, write, or maybe eat. Would you like to eat something? I'm sure you do. Now we are going to be talking about adverbs. What are adverbs? Well, adverbs are words that describe the verb. How is that possible? Can verbs be described? Of course, it's how the actions are made. Let me give you an example of adverbs. People write very well. We use people as the subject, write is the verb, and very well is the adverb. A second example could be, you work hard. How do you work? Hard. Verb, the verb is work and the adverb is hard. Another example could be rest. Rest is the verb and we all like to rest. But how are you resting? Well, I am resting happily, right? And everybody here will probably want to take a nap right now. And finally, we're going to be talking about adjectives. What are adjectives, you may be asking? Well, let me tell you. What, you think I don't know? I do know. Adjectives describe nouns. But what are nouns? Well, nouns could be pretty much anything that has a name. For example, people, places, animals, things, and many other things. But if you want to describe them, you need adjectives. For example, this studio, it's a beautiful studio. Beautiful is the adjective. Or what about the English students work very hard? Well, another example of adjectives could be the photographer is a very nice person. And if you want to contact him, let me give you his Instagram account right here. Now, and one more example using adjectives. English Center is the best English school. You see? English Center Meet, and we use the adjective is the best. So if you want to learn English, English Center Meet is your best choice. Y ya estamos justo iniciando un nuevo semestre para las personas que están en preparatoria o en universidad. Y a muchas de estas les piden una certificación o alcanzar un nivel de inglés. ¿Tú ya lo alcanzaste? Bueno, si no es así, te dejamos aquí nuestro número de contacto al igual que nuestras redes sociales. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Si te gustó, dale me gusta y considera suscribirte. Nos apoyas muchísimo. English Center Meet, tu mejor opción para aprender inglés. Este video fue hecho gracias a la ayuda de Progimex. Progimex, comunicamos tus ideas. Y también están aquí las redes sociales de las personas, los colaboradores que nos ayudan cada mes a realizar esta magnífica producción. Progimex.